Let me just show you another example of how you could use an agent. And here I'm going to copy. I'm going to go into Copilot. I'm going to go into the Excel agent. Excel agent. All right, I'm going to paste this one. I'm a retail investor, and I like to do sensitivity analysis on forecasted financials presented by research analysts. Extract the P&L and cash flow estimates for Yelp from this research report and present it in Excel. And so you all, I'm sure many of you have seen research reports from Wall Street analysts on various stocks, and they're always great. They're always like very expertly formatted, tons of great data, but they're usually in PDF. They don't send them to you in Excel. And often what you want to do is do your own kind of sensitivity analysis by extracting some of that data here. So here I'm uploading a PDF of a research report from Bank of America Equity Research on Yelp, which is an interesting company. I think their stock's undervalued. That's my own personal opinion. But I want to do some sensitivity analysis and look at it in detail. And so it's going to first ask me like, okay, well, what do I want to do here? I want to do actual and forecast, and I want the full P&L, and then let's go let it go. But what I want to show you is the quick output of that, and not have you have to watch it whirl away. But and let me just show you what it produced. So I'm going to open this in Excel. And it takes this research report, and it basically pulls out the analyst's P&L over the past 2 years, the next 3 years estimated. It breaks down the revenue of different kinds. It shows operating expenses, cash flow, growth rates, and margins. And it highlights, well, what's my source? And the source is the Yelp B of A report. So anyway, just think of all the different use cases: industry reports, white papers, various things where you need to extract either scientific data or forecast data or trends in your industry and that sort of thing, and then put them into a spreadsheet that then allows you to go do other things. So Excel agent, really cool.